Whatever, my Lord, thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. I know it is not well, but I say, whatever, my Lord, thou hast taught me to say, it is well, it is well with my soul. Can we say, it is well with my soul? It is well, it is well. It is well, it is well with my soul. I understand what we sing is not your situation, but I want you to speak it. It is well. It is well. We declare with my soul. We declare it is well. In our finances, it is well. It is well. It is well. Oshala Baba Sikasai. It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well. Regardless of whatever that is going on, it is well. It is well with me. It is well with my family. It is well with my finances. It is well with my ministry. It is well. It is well with my country.